Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Sign into the exact Google account you will update. This ensures changes apply in Meet. Once signed in, open Meet. Google, Com, or the Meet app and verify the avatar shown. If it's not the one you want, stop and switch accounts now. Make sure you have permission to edit the Google account profile. Personal accounts allow this directly. Managed work accounts may require admin changes. This initial step prevents confusion during a meeting and saves time when you edit your display name or picture. Go to My Account, Google, Com, and choose Personal Info to change your display name or profile photo because Meet pulls identity data from your Google profile. Click Name to edit first and last names, save, and then click Photo to upload or select a new picture. Use a square image for best results. Once done, wait a few minutes for Google to propagate changes. If you're using a workspace account and fields are locked, contact your admin. That's why requests are sometimes necessary. After saving profile edits, return to Meet and refresh the page or fully restart the app to load the updated name and photo. This forces synchronization. If the new ID still does not display, clear browser cache or update the app, because stale data can persist locally. Make sure you signed into the same account as the edited profile. If you're on a managed workspace account, admins can override settings, so contact them to request the update or an exception if edits remain blocked.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.